We just completed the entire day, one full day of a session on digital and AI skills for healthcare professionals, how to 10x your productivity. So from morning 9:30 to 4:30, and now it's almost 5. We just completed. Let me ask, how was your experience regarding the entire hands-on workshop? Please go ahead. Okay, great. Thank you so much all, and I also had a great time. We'll be going digital and sharing the entire content with many other participants across India. So you'll be the first batch of students who will be part of this, and now, yes.
Thanks to you,
Great.
Best
Thank
wishes.
you.
Best wishes for your future endeavors.
Oh, pleasure. Thank you so much. Right? Okay then. Thank you. Take care. Yes.